we're just going to be going through your opportunity posts once you're registered or logged in as an employer. So say you've posted an opportunity, you can just go here to your opportunity posts by hovering over this opportunity tab. And as our admin account, we just have 2 posts up here to earn service learning hours through Fieldr, and just welcome you to Fieldr. You can edit and delete your postings here. So once they're posted, it's not forever. You can go ahead and you can edit it and then delete it or just update it, whichever one you so prefer. We'll click update even though we didn't actually update anything. Oh, see, it's making us fill that out. We'll just go back here for now. But yeah, so you can edit, you can delete it, make sure all required fields are filled out, of course, or you can view your student matches. So now this is where the matching algorithm comes into play for the organization. If you were to have those specific keywords that we referenced before, so let me go back to it. So these keywords, the top soft skills and the majors, if you had filled that out for this specific listing, under your opportunity posts, say you viewed it right here, this is where you would view your matches. So you select this button right here, and it's going to pull up any students that are matched through those keywords, whether it be the student is taking the major that you applied to this listing, or maybe the student has those soft skills selected in their profile, same soft skills that you listed in the posting. That is when it's going to match both of you up, and so you can view your matches through here, and you can view, and the students can view your listing as a match as well on their own end. So thank you for watching this video. This was your opportunity post.